enough lighting, but as I said, under this bulkhead there's no lighting, and usually underneath the bulkhead it comes with darkness, and that's probably what will eventually happen. Again, you see I have my speakers. Now this room is provided with one switch to control my pot lights. So like I said, this room is very important to all homeowners. Once finished and once ready to go, there's lots of entertainment for you to enjoy. Sit down, relax, watch your TV, do whatever is necessary to enjoy life after work. As you can see here on the stairs, I'm going to have almost 6 lights. And then you go into the garage where I provided 2 outlets. Along with a receptacle, another receptacle on this wall, and then this wire here, this cable you see poking out, will basically be for the EV charger. And as you can see above, I have 2 outlets. Which will control your door opener, garage door opener. Also, I would have 2 lights inside this area, along with my switches to control. And this pipe here that you see will be for my generator control, which eventually has to go on to the outside wall. So this is looking up from downstairs. As you can see, the ramp going down to the garage is pretty steep. Also here, these cables will be for my disconnect for the elevator, along with a speaker cable and cameras and some type of data. And this is basically going to be the end of my video, as I will be getting prepped to finish off my service cables and my rest of my branch cables. So please leave a comment in the comment section, like, share, and subscribe to my videos, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Thank you.